up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandon Marie here, and I'm so excited to be back with another hair video. Like, I'm a real hairstylist and whatnot, but your girl is certified because I did go to cosmetology school, so it's up, okay? But anyway, in this video I am showing you how I reverted my curly Sea Curly Dhairboutique hair and got this gorgeous little big old, whatever you want to call it, curl pattern and whatnot going on. After I washed the hair and conditioned it to get it back curly from blow drying and straightening it and curling it for a few weeks, I just wanted to show y'all how my hair went back to the curl pattern. And I did do a few little curls up here with a like 1/2 inch little wand, so I will be showing y'all how I did that in this video. So if you like to see, we need to subscribe first because I'll cut the video off right here. Just cut it off. I need you to subscribe. I need you to like this video. Just give it a thumbs up. It ain't that hard. It's really not hard at all. I'm not even giving you a test. Nothing. Pop quiz, nothing. Just do it. Just subscribe. But anyway, so if you want to see how I got these bomb ass curls, then make sure you stay tuned, or you're not gonna be as cute if you don't do what I told you to do. Okay, so here is the unit right here in the curly state, day-old curls that I last curled it. So this is the same unit that I had on in my last video. Make sure you go check that out so you can see the curls that I did and how defined they were. And like I said, this hair was washed, straightened, blow dried to pull out the curl pattern. So we are going to attempt to restore the curl pattern, see how she does with having heat and that blow dry heat and that curl heat for a good 2 weeks. It's been that I've been consistently curling this hair, so I'm gonna see how it goes back to its natural state. So I'm gonna start with some warm water, and the products I'm gonna be using are some Tresemme. This is the shampoo, and it is the smooth and silky one. So this one controls frizz and shine. It has argan oil in it. So they have a few different ones by Tresemme, and I'm also going to be using the conditioner as well. So I'll start with washing it, and it don't really matter like how you wash it. The lace can get wet, the wig cap can get wet because it is going to air dry. I don't want to blow dry it because blow drying is going to take out that curl. I need it to air dry to its natural curl pattern. So we're just going to let it air dry for like 24 hours and it should be good. Now for the conditioner, what I like to do is get two double Walmart bags, grocery store bags. So I like to let it kind of deep condition, give it a few minutes to soak in that conditioner. And sometimes I do put it in the microwave. I'm not gonna even lie, that's just like a little trick that I've learned, kind of like a little heated deep conditioner. So you know how when you go to the beauty shop and they put conditioner on your hair, a leave-in conditioner, and they put you under the dryer? Same concept, but I'll just put it in the microwave on low heat or either regular heat for like 30 seconds to a minute. I have, as you can see, the curl is already starting to come back a little bit already without even adding the conditioner. I don't want to do a leave-in conditioner because I don't want any product in it. I just want to deep condition it. Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes to wash out my hair.
Wash out my hair timer. 5 minutes. Starting now.
Okay, so it has been 5 minutes. We're going to take the hair up out the little deep condition bag, and as you can see, it did not destroy anything with the hair by putting it in the microwave. It's actually still so pretty with this wave pattern, but it's actually a tighter wave than this. So after we rinse it out, I'm going to do a little scrunch dry method, and then I'm going to let it hang to dry. Not outside, not in no specific temperature, just room temperature in my room. Just let it hang to dry. So we're going to rinse it out now. Okay, so this is pretty much how I have it hanging. I just got it hanging right here from the band on my backdrop stand. And I did braid the top because the closure isn't as wavy as a texture as the hair. So this is how it looks right after hanging it. It's still a little wet, as you can see, so I just have a towel down here. Still just dripping. So I did just braid that like that so it can kind of blend with the wave. And then, like I said, I will check back in with you guys in 24 hours after it completely air dries to its natural state.
4 hours later.
So now that I have the wig on, guys, I have laid her down, did my little baby hair and whatnot, and she is secure. Like the money in the bank, okay? So I wanted to show y'all the actual curl pattern of my hair after washing it and letting it air dry. I did braid the top layer as you saw in that picture, but it was like too curly, so I had to like brush it out a little bit and stuff because it was like a different like braid wave pattern than this curl is. So my closure is not actually the same curl pattern as my hair. So I'm gonna separate that little piece from the closure and show y'all. So it's just like a really pretty loose wave. You can actually, this is like brushed out, so it can be a tighter wave. So as you can see, it did go back to the curl pattern. It's super dense, super full. This is 4 bundles of sea curly hair. So what I'm gonna do is move my closure a little bit, see if I can get a clip. And then I'm going to just spray a little leave-in conditioner on here. So this is just some argan oil conditioner from Cream of Nature, and I'm just gonna spray some through like so and scrunch it up a little bit, just so it won't go dry and whatnot. This hair has a really low luster, which is good because it just looks really natural and coarse. Gorgeous. So what I like to do next is I like to take the closure and I'll use a little wand like this. This is about a 1/2 inch of wand. It's not even 1 inch. It should be like a 1/2 inch and or a 1/4 of an inch, whichever. You know, I really don't be knowing. It's old. I've been having it. It's by Red. They can get it like literally at the local beauty supply. And I'll take a few pieces of hair, like I would say about 3 good curls, and just curl the top layer. I don't let it hold like super tight. I wrap it away from the forehead like that, because I don't want it to be too different from the curl pattern. I want it to still be, I want it to like kind of naturally blend in there. And this one is like the perfect size. It's like the curls in the hair. Let it go. And then that's what I get, a curl like that. It could definitely be tighter if I chose to take a smaller piece of hair, but I'm not. I want it kind of big because these curls are big waves. Same thing. So that's all I got. Is about good 4 curls over here and then like about the same over here. So I'm going to brush it out. Sometimes I like to go in here and get these front pieces so they blend. Like this is part of the long hair, so this is not the closure. This is the actual hair. And we kind of going in from the curl pattern and making it fall with the other hair, so it kind of looks more natural. I like big hair, so I like a lot of volume, so that's why I really like to curl it in the front. Yeah, looks like it. This is how I like it to look. When I wear it back curly. Definitely put more leave-in conditioner up in there. Give it a nice little scrunch some more. I'm running out. And as you can see, guys, that is the finished look. That is my hair. It's real quick and easy. Get it back to its natural curl pattern. It's so big and pretty, and just you can like spray some texturizing spray, and you can just have it just big and voluminous, like however you want. So if you like this finished look, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Like I always say, it's free, just make sure you do it. Push the button, just push it. And I'll see y'all in the next video.